Have you ever looked at a list of numbers and felt like there was a hidden message or a secret rule connecting them all? It is a bit like looking at tracks in the snow and trying to figure out what animal made them and where it was going. Finding the differences between terms in a sequence is incredibly important because it is a fundamental strategy for identifying the underlying pattern or rule that governs how a sequence of numbers is formed. It is often the very first step to unlocking what comes next, helping us predict future values or understand the sequence's behavior. The core reason this method works so well lies in how many common sequences are built. Often, each new term is generated by adding a specific value or a value that itself changes in a predictable way to the previous term. By subtracting each term from the one that follows it, we are essentially reversing that process. If the differences are constant, you have an arithmetic sequence. If the differences themselves form a new pattern, you can repeat the process on those differences, sometimes revealing deeper structures like quadratic or cubic relationships. This systematic approach reveals the growth or decay rate or the complexity of the pattern's progression. To put this into practice, imagine you have the sequence 3, 7, 11, 15. You would subtract 3 from 7 to get 4, then 7 from 11 to get 4, and 11 from 15 to get 4. Since the difference is consistently 4, you know the next number will be 15 plus 4, which is 19. This simple step can turn a jumbled list into a clear path forward. This technique, known as the method of finite differences, is a powerful tool extending beyond just simple sequences. It is a concept mathematicians use for numerical analysis and even in fields like computer science for optimization problems. Understanding term differences allows you to classify sequences into types such as linear, quadratic, or exponential, each with its own predictable characteristics. It is not just about finding the next number. It is about understanding the mathematical DNA of the sequence itself. Ultimately, finding the differences between terms provides a reliable and accessible way to deconstruct number patterns. It empowers you to move beyond simply guessing the next number and instead apply a logical, mathematical process to uncover the precise rule governing the sequence. This understanding makes prediction accurate, deepens your comprehension of numerical relationships, and reveals the beautiful order hidden within what might first appear to be just a random string of numbers.
If you love exploring numbers, like, subscribe, and keep counting with us.